Okay, here we're at the end of the bed. This is the foot of the bed, and I've already got the end caps off. Same procedure whether you're doing canopy or bench. Might be a little bit easier in the canopy, but when you have the end cap off, you can access the lamp holders from the end here. Now, let's say that we were going to pull out this lamp holder right here. Just take the lamp. It'd be easier if the acrylic were out. If you could take the lamp out of the socket, I'm just giving it a quarter turn, and then it should kind of fall out. Now, this is going to come out, but up from the top here. So to release the one ballast wire, I'm just taking a straightened paper clip down into the same hole to release it. And you can do this after, or you can do it before. But the wire's released. Now you can just take, in the tabs are at the base of the lamp holder right here. If you squeeze both of them, then you can push it through, and then it comes up and out this side. And then you would have to do the same thing to pop the new one back in. But that's how you get it out. And again, doing the connections for the wires are just a matter of taking the straightened paper clip into the same hole, and it releases right out of there. That's how you do the connection. So if you have a shunt, make sure that you transfer it from the original one to the replacement lamp holder before reinstallation, and you're good.